So guys, how to keep a bone always at the middle of two bone? So let's do it. It's really simple. So guys, now our armature is selected and we are in pose mode. Now go to object data properties, enable display bone names under viewport display. Then select the bone which will always be at the middle of two other bones. Now move to bone constraint properties. Click on the drop down, select copy location. Left click on the eyedropper tool, select our armature or bone, then select your first bone. Left click, first bone name is 002. So our middle bone is gone, but it's not gone. It's taking the same place as the first bone. Now same, click on the drop down, select copy location again. Now we will select the second bone. Left click, this bone name is 001. So 001. Scroll down, influence 0.5, that means 50%. See, now our bone is at the middle. Let's test. But what about the rotation? It's same too. Just select the middle bone. Let's minimize them. At the place of location, we will now add the rotation. Same. Armature, bone 002. Another one. Armature, bone 001. Influence 0.5. Done. Let's see our rotation test. R, Y axis. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.